how to classify quadrilaterals and triangles. Let's talk about this word quadrilaterals. I see the prefix quad, and quad means 4, so quadrilateral has 4 sides. Then if we take a look at the word triangles, I see the prefix tri. Tri means 3, so triangles have 3 sides. So let's think of attributes to think about while looking at these different shapes. We want to look at, are the sides parallel? Are some of the sides parallel but not all? Are any of the sides perpendicular? What type of angles do they have? What are the side lengths? So let's practice this. Let's take a look at this rectangle. I know it's a rectangle because 2 sides have 2 lines and 2 sides have 1 line. So the side lengths, well, 2 are the same while the other 2 are the same. I also see perpendicular lines. I know that these lines here meeting are going to equal 90 degrees. And that helps me identify the angles. All the angles are 90 degrees. I also know that each side, the left and the right, are parallel. They're never going to touch. And then the top and the bottom are parallel. They are never going to touch. Now let's take a look at this shape. This shape has all equal sides, and I know because of the lines, but the angles are different. We have 2 pairs of obtuse angles, and we have 2 pairs of acute angles. None of these are perpendicular, but we do have some parallel lines. Let's take a look at another. I definitely see some parallel lines, different angles, 2 different types of angles. The lines are not perpendicular because they do not make 90-degree angles, and the side lengths are the same. Now let's take a look at this triangle. This triangle does not have parallel lines, but I see the 90-degree symbol, this square, so it does have a pair of perpendicular lines. The lengths are all different because we have 1 tick mark, 2 tick marks, and 3 tick marks. And then we have different angles here as well. Let's do a little bit of a sorting activity. Let's take a look at this orange shape here. And let's figure out, where does it go? Does it go on the side that says has at least 1 pair of parallel lines? Does it go on the side that says has at least 1 right angle? Or does it go in the middle because it meets both? What do you think? That's right, it's going in the middle. It has parallel lines as well as right angles. What about this purple shape? We see different lines and angles. Does it have at least 1 pair of parallel lines? Yes. But does it have 1 right angle? No. So it would go on this side. What about here? This yellow shape. This yellow shape, does it have at least 1 pair of parallel lines? Yes. And does it have at least 1 right angle? Nope. So that shape will also go on this side of the Venn diagram. Last shape, this triangle. Remember this square here? It has a right angle, so we know it can belong here. Does it have any parallel sides? Nope. So it's going to go on this side of the Venn diagram. Good job. Now you can classify quadrilaterals and triangles.